Hey guys, Jolster here. So thanks to a subscriber, I was able to take the new ZX e-bike by Super 73 for a test drive, so I can give you a hands-on experience and my point of view on how this bike handles, what's the top speed, how are the brakes, how comfortable it is. Even I raced against the electric XP, which cost half the price of the ZX. So welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sit back, relax, and let's do this. So let me give you a small tour of the bike. My first impression was how beautiful it is. The big fat tires look awesome. The metallic dark gray color looks beautiful. The design is unique and it definitely turns heads. Now the non-adjustable seat is comfortable enough for any rider. The battery is sitting right below it and it has a quick power button indicator, and also there's a power switch on the other side. Now the pedals are honestly very small. There are no gears, but you can always upgrade and buy them separately. The bike is very basic. There are mounting brackets for accessories throughout the body. The tires are called Trooper tires. They are 20-inch by 4.5 inches and they are very grippy and feel solid. I believe they are custom made for Super 73. Now another thing to notice is that there is no suspension fork, so you basically depend on the tires and the seat for a smooth ride. Now the handlebars are also very different. They have this retro design that looks super cool. The handles are also very grippy and it is powered by a thumb throttle. Now on the other side we have the display, which is very small and sometimes it's hard to see during daylight, and it has quick access to pedal assist or miles per hour, but mostly everything is done through an application. Now this is not my bike, so I didn't use the app for obvious reasons, but everything works without the app as well. Now the cable management is not that clean, but everything is easy to arrange. There are 180mm discs with mechanical brakes, which work well, but I would have preferred hydraulic. There is a 750 watt motor that peaks at 1350 watts, which gives you around 26 miles per hour with throttle or pedal assist at max level. There are no headlights, no taillights, no fenders, no horn installed on this bike, but you can always buy them separately. Alright, so let's take it for a spin and I'll tell you more about my experience. Before I start the video, I want to mention that it is sponsored by Kabu USA. Now if you enjoy the outdoors, going to parks or riding with friends and family, an electric scooter is an awesome alternative. The Kabu Mantis 8 is an entry-level scooter with premium features like dual 500 watt motors, tubeless wide tires, front and rear suspension, up to 25 miles per hour top speed, and up to 25 miles of range on a single charge. Now I personally use it to explore parts of my city where I can't explore with my vehicle, and also I don't have to worry about expensive gas prices or driver license or insurance. All I have to do is just plug it in, charge it at home, and I'm ready to go the next day. So check out the link in the description and also use my code so you can save $150 on your next purchase. Alright guys, so let's start the video now. Let's do this. So I'm gonna show you something. Right now I'm gonna be in level 4, which is a top level assist. I'm gonna try to just pedal only. And the pedals are so small, it's really hard to start off with that. I will use the throttle, to get some startup power, but once you start going, after like 20 miles per hour, it's really hard to just continue pedaling. I wouldn't do it. Look at that. I feel like a little kid. So I mean, go 25 miles per hour pedaling, but it's just so difficult. Actually, you can just do it slowly, and it's pretty much like using the throttle, and if I stop, the motor stops. But even if I do it just a little bit, it kicks in. Yeah, it's just like having a throttle on the pedals, but at the highest level of system, which is number 4. It's so weird. This is an excellent electric bike, but in my opinion, it's just for cruising, for having fun, not for exercising. And I think this is what it is. This is perfect for cruising. It looks awesome. People do turn around and see it, and we're like, what the hell is that, you know? It's pretty cool. So she's going, pedaling 25 miles per hour, 25 with throttle only. I am catching up. Adios! Alright guys, so we're gonna do a speed test. My wife has the electric XP. I know it's a much affordable bike, but it also goes up to 27 miles per hour. This one is the Super 73. This is the ZX. It goes up to like 26 miles per hour. So let's see which one is faster. Throttle only or pedal, whatever. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. What? I'm gonna help it with the throttle. Pedals, the throttle. Holy shit. Oh, god damn. Oh wow. Well, she's really into it. I can't pedal because I don't have any gears. You see, my legs are going crazy. I look like a little Koopa Troopa on a little tricycle. So top speed is 26. That's with the throttle only. And geez, I'm pretty sure she's like about 27 or something. Yeah, she can definitely go faster. What?
28.5.
28 miles per hour? Jesus. This bike is stuck at 26 and that's it. So yeah, I mean, plus you can pedal. That's the big advantage. I can't pedal with this one. I feel like I'm gonna trip if I pedal, because these pedals, you guys can see, these pedals are so small. They're so tiny. They're almost like useless. It's just maybe to begin with pedaling, but that's it. Another thing I noticed is the brake systems. These are mechanical brakes. I'm not a big fan of mechanical brakes. I mean, especially when you're paying around $2,000 for this bike, but that's how it is. Now, I'm not saying that they don't work. They do work. They don't make any like squeegee noise or anything. They do stop. But once you taste hydraulic, you don't want to go back to mechanical. You know what I'm saying? So if you can upgrade to hydraulic brakes, that will be excellent. So I was thinking, what about if I just want to pedal, right? Well, first of all, it's really hard to just pedal. I have no pedal assistant right now. So I'm going to use the throttle just to kick in. Now that I have a little bit of help, I'm gonna see if I can just pedal with no assistant, and it is very difficult. It is possible, but Jesus, you can feel that you're struggling, your legs are burning. So I'm gonna ask for level assist 1. Well, I feel almost no difference, but yeah, I can feel the motor kicking in. Level assist 2. It is barely there. Level assist 3. Yeah. Level assist 4. Oh, here we go. Now I can feel it. This is it. This is it, yeah. And that is the top level assistant. There it is. Over here, baby. To the left. So now I'm going to start with level assist 4. Let's see how it feels. Yeah, it feels much easier. It is very gradual, you know, that's what I like. It doesn't kick you in or anything. It is very gradual. But once you go top speed, you can't use the pedals no more. You have to settle for throttle only. Holy. Alright, so my final thoughts about the ZX. I really like the design. This is a great looking bike. It is fun to ride, it is easy to use, but I think it's very basic for the price. I mean, it's missing a lot of features other brands offer out of the box for much less money. The ride comfort is good, but after around 20 to 30 minutes, my butt started to hurt. The seat looks great, but it is not as comfortable as it looks. After a while, you start feeling that pain. Now, you definitely need the suspension for a smoother ride. Now, another thing that drove me crazy was the fact that there are no gears. Now, the pedals are almost pointless to have. They're basically just to rest your feet while riding because at top speed they become dangerous to pedal. I also miss a horn or at least a little bell so I can let people know I am around. And of course, there are no headlights and no taillights and no fenders. Now, I understand that this is an entry-level model, but for $2,000, at least those basic features should be available. Now, I believe the European model does come fully loaded for around $3,000, which is the model that I would go for. Now, if you have $3,000 to spend, I will go for the R series, which at least comes with suspension. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this, and if you already have a Super 73 ZX, let me know your thoughts about the bike too. Alright, I'm Joester, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joester out. "25, 26, oh, it's a curve. Brakes are nice."